Croeso I Sioe Ffasiwn Ysgol Bro Pedr. Mae casgliad o ddisgyblion blwyddyn 7 y llynedd yn awyddus I fodelu Gwisg yr ysgol I chi heddiw. Welcome to Ysgol Bro Pedr's fashion show. We've got a group of last year's Year 7 pupils who are very keen to show you the school uniform. Yn gyntaf, mae gyda ni Laura, Mihaw, Mari, Sioned a Lloyd sy'n gwisgo gwisg swyddogol Ysgol Bro Pedr, sef trowsus du, sgertiau du, crysau polo porffor a siwmperi neu gardiganau llwyd. Firstly, we have Laura, Mihaw, Mari, Sioned and Lloyd, who are modelling the official Bro Pedr uniform. Black trousers, black skirts and tights, purple polo shirts and grey jumpers or cardigans. I ni yn caniatáu trowsus main yn ôl y ffasiwn, ond nid skinnies na leggings. Hefyd, I ni'n caniatáu gwahanol steiliau o sgert, dim ond I bod yn hollol ddu, blaen ac o hyd rhesymol, hynny yw dim sgertiau mini. Yn dilyn ymgynghoriad, I ni nawr yn caniatáu shorts du wedi teilwr yn ystod yr haf fel mae Lloyd yn gwisgo fan hyn. We do allow slim leg trousers in line with current fashions, but not skinnies or leggings. We allow different styles of skirts, provided that they're plain, black, and of an acceptable length, so no mini skirts. Following a consultation with pupils, we now allow tailored black shorts in the summer months, as modelled here by Lloyd. Hefyd, mae gyda ni'r fleece sydd yn berffaith ar gyfer cadw'n gynnes dros y gaeaf. We also have a fleece which is perfect for the colder days and very popular with our pupils due to the zipped pockets. Rydyn ni'n caniatáu esgidiau cynfas neu drainers dim ond I bod yn hollol ddu blaen. Serch hynny, rhaid nodi bod yr adran dylunio a thechnoleg a'r adran wyddoniaeth yn ffafrio esgidiau lleder cadarn am resymau iechyd a diogelwch gan fod rhain wrth reswm yn diogelu'r troed tipyn yn fwy. We also allow canvas shoes and trainers provided that they're plain black. That said, the DT and Science departments prefer sturdy leather shoes for health and safety reasons, as they offer better protection for the foot. Ac yna mae Osian, Rhin a Harry yn modelu'r kit chwaraeon, crysau polo gwyn plaen a shorts neu sgorts du ar gyfer gwersi addysg gorfforol yn y gampfa. Mae top du a phorffor a sanau porffor gyda ni wersi hoci a rygbi. Mae'r top yma newydd sbon eleni a Rhin sydd yn dangos hi I ni heddi. Next we have Osian, Rhin and Harry who are modelling our games kits. A plain white polo shirt and black shorts or skirts for PE lessons in the gym, then a black and purple top and purple socks for hockey and rugby sessions. We have a brand new top this year, so Rhin is modelling the sample, which is hot off the press. Ac yn olaf, dyma ni'r Ruffs and Scruffs, Arthur ac Olivia. Lastly, we have our Ruffs and Scruffs, Arthur and Olivia. You'll notice that they're breaking every school uniform rule possible. Hoodies, trackies, caps, skinnies, trainers, mobile phones. To be fair, the majority of our pupils wear the correct uniform, but every now and then, the odd anomaly sneaks in. We do stock spare uniform in Ffasiwn, so in an emergency, we're happy to loan these to pupils. Mae modd archebu gwisg ysgol drwy'r ysgol neu drwy cwmnïau lleol. Byddwch chi'n derbyn y ffurflen archebu yn eich pecyn pan bydd Mrs Rhian Morris yn ymweld â'ch ysgol gynradd. School uniform can be ordered through the school or through local companies, and you'll receive a form in the pack that Mrs Morris gives to the schools during her visits in the summer term. Ni'n edrych ymlaen yn arw at weld chi mis Medi blwyddyn nesaf. Cofiwch ddod yn ôl ato ni gydag unrhyw gwestiynau sydd gyda chi. We're very much looking forward to seeing you next September, but make sure in the meantime that you come back to us with any questions that you may have.